and welcome to the Design and Tech Hub YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how you can buy cheap and affordable data bundle as an MTN subscriber. So if you are the type that is interested in a topic in a video like this, sit right, sit tight, and watch with your maximum attention. Yeah, in today's video, just like I mentioned earlier, I'll be showing you how you can buy cheap and affordable data bundle as an MTN subscriber in substitute of the high costly data of the normal bundles from the MTN subscriber. These are offers, even I know there's the service provider themselves, they don't want you to know about, but in this video I'm going to be disclosing everything to you. So please, if you're watching for the first time, click on the subscribe button and put on the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I upload new and amazing video like this. And as for the returning viewers, thank you, I really appreciate. So without wasting any much of our time, let's dive in. So yeah, I'm going to be looking down into my phone, and you are going to be seeing what I'm doing. You are going to be seeing it on your screen. So watch with your maximum attention. So yeah, the first one is head over to your dialer and dial the code star 567 star 140 hash. You dial this using your MTN SIM. So you dial this, and with this you will be able to purchase a 1 gig bundle of data for just 200 naira using the code star 567 star 140 hash. You'll be able to purchase, you'll be charged 200 naira for the purchase of 1 gig data, which is valid for 7 days. So you will be charged this, which is valid for 7 days, 200 naira for 1 gig, valid for 7 days. So moving on, we have the code star 121 hash. This is quite common, but there are different sweet bundles made available at a different time. So yeah, we have smart data after pressing the code star 121 hash. So you click on one and send this. Then we have 1 day offer, we have the 7 days offer, 14 days offer, and we have the 30 days offer. Let's check for the 1 day offer. So under the 1 day offer here, I have 500 MB for just 100 naira. You can see how affordable that is. I have 4.5 gig for 1000 naira and 7 gig for 1500 naira. Going back, we have the 7 days bundle, which is 2. So the 7 days bundle on the here, I have 12 gig for 2005 and 13 gig for 3000 and 15 gig for 3005. Now going back, we have that of 14 days, which is 3. So under my 14 days, I can buy the bundle worth of 90 gig for just 20,000. You can see how these data bundles, you can see how affordable they are compared to the normal bundle you are going to be getting dying star 312 hours. So yeah, while watching the video, please like the video and make sure to subscribe on the channel. And here we have the 4 days bundle. So yeah, I can get the worth of 56 gig data for just 12,000 naira. So you can see how affordable this. And lastly, you can get a 5 gig worth of data for just 1000 naira on the MTN mobile app, my MTN app. You'll be getting 5 gig for just 1000 naira every Tuesday. Every Tuesday you'll be getting this. So if I hope you've gotten 1 or 2 values from this video. If you've done, please make sure to like the video, subscribe on the channel, and as well, don't forget to share with your friend who may also be interested in knowing about these cheap bundles. If you are a Glow user, I will include in the video description a link where I showed how you as a Glow user can be buying cheap data bundle as well. Thanks for watching. Until my next video, stay subscribed. I love you.